Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to change a sub-account plan in Gohighlevel. Updating the sub-account plan lets us adjust features, billing settings, and access levels based on our clients' or our agency's needs. Now let's get started. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, we need to switch to our agency view. To switch to agency view, just click our company name. Click the drop-down and then select Aegis Xavier. Once we are in the agency view, we need to click the sub-account. If we already have a switched sub-account, we just need to switch to the sub-account. Click this one. After clicking, it will switch to the sub-account. It's simple. We can also go to the upper right corner to set sub-accounts. This lets us switch between agency view and sub-account. Always review the plan details and price before confirming the update to make sure everything matches our client's needs.